Wonderful 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage home in Whitehouse ISD. This 2020 construction is perfect for any buyer. Open floor plan, no carpet, granite countertops, stainless appliances, new colors, everything you would want in a home. The split primary bedroom with ensuite bath has double vanities and an oversized shower. 2 guest rooms share a full hall bath, and the 4th bedroom would be an excellent flex space. The laundry room completed the interior space. Outside is a fully fenced yard and covered patio. Come see. Come buy.